These two firearms are completely loaded, magazines loaded, in place in the weapons and around in the chamber. They are completely safe where they're at. However, that is until some damn fool picks them up. Now, these same two weapons are cleared. Magazines removed, round removed from the chamber, bolts to the rear, weapons on safe, mechanical safeties engaged. So they're unloaded, right? Nope, not at all. Stick around. Hello, my friends. Max with High Camp. Well, the reason that an unloaded weapon is considered a loaded weapon is the firearms safety rules, which I will put up in just a second here. Even if it covers my face, I don't care. But anyway, the firearms safety rules. Number one is you treat every weapon as if it is loaded, regardless of whether or not you know it's not loaded. You don't want to treat it like it is loaded. Number two, never point a weapon at anything you are not willing to shoot. I'm sure you've seen people on the range. They'll shoot up the range and then they'll turn to their friends and go, hey, what do I do with this now? They just pointed their weapon at people they weren't going to or did not intend to shoot. So you've got to keep that in mind. Okay, number three is you keep your finger straight and off the trigger until you're ready to fire. That means during your draw, everything that you do with this weapon, if you're not going to fire it and it's in your hand, your finger is right there. It's the same with the rifle. The pistol grip on a rifle, same thing. Okay? You stay right there. It doesn't go onto that trigger until you're ready to fire this weapon. Period. And that goes back to rule number one, because we're considering all weapons loaded. Number four, the last one, is to keep your weapon on its mechanical safe until you're ready to fire. Now, on a Glock pistol, there is no safety lever anywhere. The safety is inside the trigger itself. I don't even know if you could see this, but there's a little trigger within the trigger. When that little trigger is depressed back, it unlocks the safety so you can fire the weapon. So putting your finger on the trigger with a Glock is never a good idea until you're ready to fire that weapon. Okay, and on a rifle, of course, they have a safety lever on the side that you just work with your thumb. No problem. So, if you know and abide by the safety rules for weapons, you will not be a damn fool. You will know how to treat your weapon, where to point it, where to keep your finger, when and when not to take your safety from the engaged position, and when you're safe to fire your weapon. Learn the safety rules, abide by them at all times. You need two things to be completely safe without, beyond the safety rules. And that's the M1 brain and the M1 safety right here. If you know what to do with this and you use this, you won't be a damn fool when you're handling your weapons. So, that's it for this one, my friends. Until next time, this is Max with High Camp. Bye for now.